So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good and everyone is ready to learn about a new strategy. So the strategy which we are going to talk about today, the name is already mentioned in the description part. The name is AXEL. How we are going to use it, how we are going to apply it manually, automatically, everything we are going to take care of about that. Like I will be explaining that as well. And I'm just waiting for more and more traders to join so that we can kick off the session. And traders, those who are going to join it for the first time, I request you, please make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live next time, so at least you will be able to connect with us, because that is the only motive which we have, to connect with more and more people and help them in their trading concern. MS Trading ji, I am sad to know about that you are facing some losses, but just give me some information about that, like which strategy you are using, or if you are using any strategy, or you are struggling with your money management, risk management, take profit and stop loss. Just give me a bit more information so that I will be able to explain as per that. And also traders, please confirm me if my audio and video is clear, because I just want to make sure that everything is streamlined before we'll kick off the session, before we will start talking about the strategy. It's a very nice strategy which we are going to talk about. It's very easy also. The beginner traders, they can also try to use this strategy. Nakib Shahiji, I'm so sorry, but I'm not getting your comment. Please explain it. Okay, so MS Trading is saying okay, so MS Trading is trying to say that whatever the profit he is making, but after some time he is losing all of that, and along with that he is also losing the capital itself. No worries, I'll try to help you with MST Trading. Just stay connected. I will just I will keep on guiding you with that one. I believe that you need to work on your trading psychology first thing, and you should avoid doing some over trading. Just confirm in the comment section if everything is fine, everything is streamlined, you can hear me out, everything is audible and clear, so that we can kick off the session. Okay. Okay. No worries, MS Trading ji. I will try to help you with this doubt. Just stay connected, just stay with me. Stay for some time. Let me explain the strategy, and then I will be also coming to your point, because this is not only you that those who are facing such difficulties. I have seen so many traders that they are facing difficulties with that. So no worries, just allow me some time. Let me help you with that one. But I have a nice set of rule which you can follow, which you can try to follow, and like, even though if you will be following it for at least 7 days, you will be getting some information. So nothing to worry, just stay connected. So traders, I believe that everything is already streamlined. As I can see that so many traders are already commenting in the comment section. So I believe that everything is streamlined, because if there is some issues or something like that, so of course they would have already informed me. So without wasting any time, let's kick off the session. Let's start the conversation. So let me introduce myself again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. So the strategy which we are going to talk about is AXEL. Let's talk about first that how this strategy works. So for that, the screen which is visible to you, that is the application mode. That is the mobile mode which is visible to you. Okay. So for that, all you just need to go to this button, which we call it as technical analysis if you are using a browser version. So at the side you will be finding a tower. At the bottom there is a button. Let me cross check with my device also if everything is streamlined. Okay. Yeah. So either you can search the name of the strategy here itself, or at the same time you can start scrolling down, and the third strategy of advanced level is AXEL. This can be used for FT, which means fixed time trading, FX, which means Forex mode. Now traders, for AXEL strategy, there are n number of rules you can apply. There are so many rules which you can apply or which you can opt. So I will try to explain majority of them, so nothing to worry. So once I'll click on the strategy, a description video is going to be there in case if you will miss something, if you will skip something, of course you can take the help from there. At the same time, I will also keep this strategy, keep this session also in the playlist, so you will be able to check it later on also. In the meantime, description is also there, and this piece of information is very useful, especially for my those friends, my those traders, those who are not on advanced level for now, those who are still on a starter level. So if they are thinking that, okay Kunal, you are going to talk about an advanced strategy which is paid for us, so this session is not for them. Wait a minute. The reason being, this can be applied manually also. Yeah, you heard me correct. So let me show you. For that, all you just need to apply momentum and with the frequency of 14 and 9. And if I show you in the search also, so this is available with the same frequency. Once you apply it, click on these three dots, click on save strategy, next, and your strategy will be saved and you will be able to use it for free. So those who were thinking that we have to buy this strategy or we have to buy the technicals, so this piece of information is very useful for them. Make sure you do not buy it, you do not spend anything for that. This can be applied for free. Okay, now let's talk about that how this strategy works. So in this one, as we can observe, there are two major lines, momentum 14 and momentum 9. So the blue one is 14 and the 9 one is yellow. So how this strategy is going to work in this one, you need to focus on one more thing, that if you observe, there are three major level: 100.024, 100 and 99.977. So these are the three major level. If you will zoom in or zoom out, you will observe that the difference between these two and these two is not equal. So make sure your screen should be in a proper zoom in or in a proper zoom out manner, because in that way that will help you in a better way also. So you will be able to use a different set of rules. The basic one, if I'll talk about we'll start with the basic one. So all you just need to focus on these two frequencies, and whenever they are intersecting with the 100 level, that can be the direction of the market. Now why I am saying that can be, because these are just some technical tools, mathematical calculation based technical tools. So there is no surety, no promise that you will be getting 100% accuracy. So make sure you focus on that part as well. And at the same time, let me just minimize my photo so you will be able to see the platform properly. Yeah. So these are just mathematical calculation tools. They are not going to offer you, or they are not going to promise you 100% accuracy. So you need to focus on that part also. Make sure you work on your money management, risk management also. And please traders, please, I am requesting again, please avoid over trading, as we already have one of our friend who is struggling with that one. So I will be explaining that what are the set of rules you can try to follow to avoid that one. No worries. Okay, so the first set of rule, like whenever these momentum intersections are going to be there with this 100 level, that can be the direction of the market. In that one, the yellow is the major one. So you will be focusing on the intersection of the yellow. This is the first rule. Now let's talk about the second rule. In that one, we are going to focus on the blue line now, blue frequency, which is the 14. So if you observe, whenever the blue line or the blue frequency, 14 frequency, is going to hit the maximum level or the minimum level, the maximum, which is 100.024 or 99.977. So at that time we can analyze that the specific asset is either overbought or oversold. Overbought means like when it is hitting the maximum, or oversold when it is hitting the minimum, lowest. At that time, this technical will work as a trend reversal technical tool. So at that time, you will not be following the direction of the trend anymore. You will try to wait for the price reversal, and then you will take your trade in the opposite direction. Now let's talk about the third rule. Again, in third rule, blue frequency we are going to consider. So in this one, if you focus, let me zoom in. So see, if you observe that every now and then, whenever the 14 frequency is trying to hit or breach out this 100 level, the market is bouncing back. So that can be also considered as a trend reversal confirmation. So when the market is trying to move from the downward and hitting this level, then this can act as a resistance level and the market can bounce back. See, this is a very common thing which we can observe every now and then. So these are the three different set of rules. You can pick, you can start with any one of them, or you can start with the simplest one. Whenever both of them are intersecting the 100 level, that can be the direction, and then you can start moving to the second one, which is indicating that when the market is either in the overbought zone or in the oversold zone, and then you can pick the trade. No worries. Still, if you have any doubt, any question, nothing to worry. I will be taking some trades in front of you, so just to explain it in a better way. So just stay connected, no need to bother yourself. I will be explaining, and of course if you will be getting any signals as per this strategy, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to take some trade on that also, because you will be getting some information about that if you are able to understand the strategy or not. Okay, so make sure, just take full out of it. Whatever the doubts, question, queries you have, just keep on writing in the comment section. Nothing to worry. I will be coming there and then I will be explaining it. I will be taking all your doubts also. And Shubhaji, I request you, please do not spam your message. I will check each and every message. No need to bother yourself. I will check all the messages, because sometime, like if you will keep on pasting that message, so sometime that will be hard for me to find different messages. Okay, so let me take at least one or two trades, and then I will be coming back to your doubt, questions, and I will be coming back to the comment section. Okay, so let's kick off the live action. Let's start taking some trades on the basis of strategy. And in the meantime, traders, when we are trying to follow, find some signals, some important points which I believe that you should be having information about that one. First one is a financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. Okay, so considering that thing, do not invest a very huge amount in a single trade, or work on your money management, risk management also. Please work on your learning part as well. This is the first thing. Just 1 second. Okay. Second thing which I want you to focus on, that all the trades which I am going to take or I have taken in the past, I will be the responsible for my own trade. My skill set is going to be the responsible. Everything is based on my practice. Third thing, even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between like somewhere around 25 seconds to 30 seconds. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will be opening right away in front of you, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds, and that can lead to some negative trades. So please avoid doing copy trading. Just focus on the learning part, because this session is hardly active for next 40-45 minutes, but after that also you have to trade. So considering that thing, make sure you focus on the learning part only. And traders, this is like something which you have to focus on also, that whenever you are going to apply this strategy, your screen should be adjusted in such a way that both the difference should be equal or nearby. Then you will be able to get a better idea about that what exactly is happening and what are the things which you can consider before executing any trade. Okay, so let's keep on shuffling our cards. Let's keep on shuffling for the different assets, and in the meantime, if I will be getting any of them, I will try to pick. Okay, so let's see. For now, what we can observe, that the market breached this 100 level already. So what we will do, we will wait for this one also to breach this level. We will try to keep all these set of rule all together. So we are not going to implement something new at the same time while practicing. If you will find something new, of course you can try that also, but whatever you are going to implement, make sure you implement it on your demo first. Okay, there was a very nice signal, but that is quite old, so I don't think like we should pick that one. No worries. So at the same time, the market is hitting this level, we can pick a trade for the upward direction. So this trade I have taken on the basis of this intersection. The market was too oversold. Let's try And it's not like that you are supposed to use it on any specific asset. You can use on all the assets. Set off rule is going to be remain same. There was a very nice signal, we just missed it, but the market is still close to that one. Let's still close to this level, so let's try. Nowadays, even though gold is very volatile, but still we can try. Traders, you might have observed one more thing, that I am keep on opening trades back to back. The reason behind that, I just want to show you more and more examples, but with you there are no such compulsions. So make sure you open one trade, wait for the result, and then open the next one. Okay, this because this could be the best way, because if the trade is positive, if you want to increase the capital, it's not required at all, but in case if you wish to, then you can use your money management. If the trade was negative, you can use your risk management. So these are the approaches which you can follow to make best out of it. Let me take a couple of comments and then I will be coming back to the live training also. Okay, so where we have left, I love food is saying that I'm using MACD and zigzag but still lost. So I love food, I just want to ask that what is the time frame which you are using? Like for the MACD, what is the chart time frame and what is the trade time frame? And I'm so sorry traders, I missed giving you one important information. So the minimum chart time frame for this strategy is 1 minute, and the trade time frame is up to 2 to 3 candles. So if the chart time frame is 1 minute, trade time frame will be 2 minutes or 3 minutes. This how we can conclude that whether it should be 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Then of course you can do some back testing. Okay, so sir, my stop loss हिट कर देता हूँ और फिर भी ट्रेडिंग स्टॉप नहीं करता हूँ. ओके रोहित जी, हेलो कुणाल, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? रोहित जी, आई एम डूइंग वेरी गुड. I hope you are also doing fine. I really like the webinars of Olymptrade both in Hindi and English. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your appreciation. Okay, hello. Hello, sir. Please help me. Subhash ji, please share your concern also. And हेमंत साहू जी सिंह, लॉस ना करने से सिर्फ एक ही तरीका है, 5 ट्रेड लो बस और ट्रेडिंग बंद कर दो, नेक्स्ट डे 5 ट्रेड करो. सी हेमंत साहू जी, दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस अप्रोच दैट यू आर गोइंग टू pick only specific number of trades, but sometime if you need if you want to make a huge capital or if you want to make a profit, like just take an example of $100, then with 5 trades you need to invest somewhere around $25 to $27. And if even one trade will go negative, that is going to affect your psychology. Apart from that, focusing on the number of trades, I'll suggest focus on the amount you want to make in a day. This is the way. MS Trading ji, let me help you with your concern also. So as you mentioned that you are not able to get a hold when you are taking some trades, and sometimes even though when you touch your stop loss, you are not you are keep on continuing, you are keep on trying, and then you start diving into the revenge trading. The best which I can suggest you, if you have a habit that you will keep on using the rest of the capital, you can follow first approach, that only deposit that amount which is your stop loss for the day. Like for me, for an example, if my stop loss is $40 for the day, then I will deposit max to max 45 or 50. Out of that, 40 is going to be my capital which I am going to use for the day. $10 is the capital which I will be using in case if there is a very nice opportunity, or if I got some market news, or if there is some fundamental data which is floating into the market, I will be using at that time. And second thing, now this is a very common thing that sometimes traders make a profit and after that they start wiping it off, or then they will just try to make it more, and then they will start wiping it off. Then the best which I can suggest you, for an example, my take profit is $50 first initially, and my stop loss is $30. Initially I will be focusing on making $50. Once I'll hit that one, first condition, you should quit for the day. In case if you think that no Kunal, I want to make more money, then start stretching your target from 50. Then tell yourself, okay Kunal, 50 is not my target is 60. So now how much you want to make? Only $10 more. For to make $10 more, max to max, you just need to take 6 to 7 trades, each trade for $2, or 12 trades each 12 to 13 trades, each trade for $1, right? Now slowly and gradually start stretching it. At the same time, if you will start making some losses, then the second condition which will come into the picture. So initially you were deducting your stop loss from your capital, but now you have touched your take profit, so you will deduct that stop loss from your generated profit. By that, let me explain it again. $100 is a capital, $50 profit which I have already made, $30 is the stop loss. Initially that $30 was supposed to be deduct from $100, but I have already touched my take profit. Now if while going from 50 to 60, if I'll make some profit, good to go. In case if I start making losses, and even though I am keep on continue trying, when you will deduct 50 minus 30, you will stop for the day, and that should be the full and final call. That's it. No if and but, no one more trade or something like that. So if you are keep on following the same approach, because this is a very common thing that traders are stating that, sir, in the first half I made some profit, in second or third half I wiped out everything. So if you will start following this approach even for 7 days, and if you are going to make profit in first half, losing 13 in second half, by the end of the day, every day you will be closing your day with a $20 profit. So 7 into 20 is going to be 140 profit, plus your amount, the capital which you have made in the beginning, that is also going to be remain safe for you. Okay, now second thing, now there might be some traders who will say that, sir, what about if I'll manage to hit 60? Okay, then again tell yourself, no Kunal, 60 is not the target, 70. You hit 70, 70 is not the target, 80. In case at any moment from 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110, when you will start moving downward, then you will deduct that stop loss from the previous touched take profit. For an example, you managed to book a profit of 111 or 150, and you are trying to hit 120. So first you will move to 110, then you will deduct 30 out of it, which will end up with $80 profit, and then you will end up your day. By doing this one, you will be able to stretch your profit also. At the same time you are touching your take profit, at the same time you are doing some over trading, and stop loss is also being touched. Because the reason behind, when you will be having a window of only $30, then you will not be taking trade even more than that one, and at the same time you also know that this is the maximum which I can use. So of course you will try to use that capital in that manner that you will be able to stay into the market for as long as possible. So this is the best which you can do. This is the best which you can apply. But you have to stay stick at least for that. Either you can keep the simple one, this is a take profit, this is a stop loss. But at the same time, if you can't stop once the profit is there, then this is approach which you can follow. Now some trader might be asking that, sir, let me see some results also. Okay, so far we took 3 trades, 2 positive, 2 negative, 1 positive. Let's observe, let's see. Okay, so what exactly happened at that level? This level was breached and market started moving into the upward. Let me have a look on the another one also. Gold is all like volatile from last couple of. Okay, so market was stuck in the volatility, and there was a no worries. So we will try to let's do one thing. Let's increase the trade time frame for from 2 candle to 3 candle, and then again we will start finding some signals. We will start observing it. Okay, so there can be signals sooner or later, or there is a support level as well, so we should consider that too. So market is trying to move into the upward direction. Traders, this is also something which you need to focus on whenever you are trading on any asset. Irrespective of the asset, irrespective of the strategy, the only condition that it should be a Japanese candle strategy. Make sure you also focused on support and resistance levels also. They are also playing a very vital role whenever you are trading with that one. Let me analyze. Okay, so market is moving from the upward to downward, but I am not sure about that. Let's see. Let's try some another different assets. Okay, so there is an intersection of 14 and 9 momentum. Okay, so market is bouncing back from 100. Is it so? Market breached that level, but let's look forward for some more solid, for some more better moments. That was a very nice signal, but we missed it. No worries. We'll not try to catch any running trend just to avoid any collisions. Just focus on the strategy. Okay, so there is a possibility that market might stuck here. So for that one, I just want to open a trade. This is not based on the strategy itself. This is hardly based on the support and resistance level. So I will try to explain that as well. But in the meantime, I'm just trying to grab some more opportunities as per the strategy itself. So let me move back to the... Okay, so there can be opportunity sooner or later, because if we'll try to observe, market is trying to hit the minimum, which is the oversold. But we have to wait for that. Let's try. Let's keep on shuffling our cards. Okay, one trade is going on. Okay, so now quite far, still quite far. This level of support is already breached. We can think about opening one trade here, down. Okay, so what next? Okay, a few trades are already in the pipeline. Let me take a few more comments also. So traders, I'm sure that you might have observed, like you have understood that whatever I was trying to help you, that how you can avoid doing over trading, or even though while doing some over trading also, you can still stay in the profit. So please try to focus on that thing. At the same time, MS Trading G, like still, if you think that you might take some trades, then the best which I can suggest you, start withdrawing funds at the same time. हेलो सर, प्लीज़ हेल्प मी. सुभाष जी, प्लीज़ हेल्प मी विद योर कंसर्न्स. लॉस ना करने से सिर्फ एक ओके, ज़्यादा ट्रेड ज़्यादा लॉस में भी यही करते हैं. 1000 ट्रेड लेते हैं दिन में. सी हेमंत साहू जी, आई completely agree with your point, but only up to some extent, because sometime if you will start taking trades, you have a foundation of some specific number of trades, then you have to use big capital. You have to use a major chunk of your capital in a single trade. So that can also affect your trading cycle, because if a $10 trade is going negative, at the same time if a $100 trade is going negative, so both of them are going to affect your psychology in a different. Okay, अब सब set है, but still I am happy to see that if you are making profits, everything is going fine for you. If your strategy is working fine for you, I am more than happy. हमें $8,000 का लॉस कर दिया है. MS Trading जी, see, it's a very big capital, so please focus on learning part also. It's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time as well. कल की डेट में हमने एक डिपॉजिट किया. Okay, so Subhash ji is facing some difficulties with see Subhash ji, nothing to worry about that one. Even though it took some time from your side to make a payment, that is completely fine. You will be getting your amount. All you just need to do one thing, just connect with the support team, drop an email to support-en@olymptrade.com. They will look into it and then they will be guiding you with that one. Nothing to worry. You have made the deposit on the platform, so your money is safe. यूज कैसे पा सकते हैं, ऐसे रूल बताएं. MS Trading ji, okay, so you are talking about that you have made a loss of 8,000 and how you can recover that one. Now see, understand one thing. If you will try to make $8,000 in a single night or in a single day or in a single week, there is a possibility that you might be able to achieve something, but that can lead to some over trading also. So the best which I can suggest you, set a rule that you need to recover that 8,000 in at least 3 months. So divide 8,000 divided by 3. So for an example, if that amount is 9,000, so just to make the calculation a bit more easy, so 9,000 divided by 3 months. So in each month, all you just need to make 3,000. Now divide that 3,000 with the number of days. So divide by 30. So in each day, all you just need to make $100. Now to make $100, if I take a rough example, if all you just need to take trade almost 120 profitable trades if each trade is for $1 and your profitability is 90%, because you will be able to make somewhere around $108. Now understand one thing, $100 your take profit, and all you just need to take 120 profitable trades. Now all trades are not going to be positive, both of us we know. Then you can do one thing, like of course that is going to take some time also, so you can follow two approaches. The first one, stick to your plan. Second thing, if your three trades are positive, you can increase your trade trade amount by 0.25 or 0.50. Like first three trades for $1, next three trades for 1.5, next three trades for $2, next three trades for 2.5, and slowly and gradually what exactly you will observe. So initially you started with that 120 trades, then slowly and gradually that number of trades will start decreasing. Second thing, if your $3 or $4 or $5 or at one moment $7 trade will go negative, then that amount will not be deducted from your capital, that will be deducted from the last profit which you have made from last three trades. So that is also not going to, create some pressure on your mind. So this is something which you can follow. Okay, so let me see, take a few more comments. Okay, Mandal Bhaiji, hello. Subhaji, just connect with the support, they will be. It's safe. I search in Google, but Google say not safe. Peace in word, like what exactly you are talking about the platform? Like if you are talking about that one, then we are regulated by government of Vanuatu. We are also member of FinCom. Like we are in the market for almost last 14 years, and in Indian market we are there for from last almost 11 years. So you can rely. That is completely fine. Okay, supporting. Okay. So what else we have? Exactly, Himasauji, completely 200% agree with your comment that he's trying to say that you have to be cautious enough. You should focus on everything. You should be focusing on learning part also. It's not only about investing money. Make sure you invest enough time. As in the beginning of the session also, I have told you one thing, that it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. So make sure you focus on that thing. Okay, so traders, very nice. We managed to book back-to-back two profits. Let me show you what exactly I have opted in these trades. So in these two trades, what exactly I have focused on. So there was a resistance level, and I observed that the market is trying to stuck in that one. Those who are not well aware about that, what exactly I am talking about. So whenever the market is moving in any specific direction, whether in upward direction or a downward direction, then you might observe there is a common pattern that sometime market is getting stuck at some specific points. The more frequently it's getting stuck, the stronger that level could be. If it's on the top of the chart, that can be considered as a resistance level. It's resisting the market to breach that. At the same time, if it is at the bottom of the chart, then it will act as a support level. This trade I have opened on the basis of strategy. So if you can observe, market was already completed overbought. So market was trying to hit this level. So I have opened one opportunity from the upward to downward direction. Now let's move back to the topic which we were discussing. So support and resistance. So as the resistance is the top level, then support will be the bottom level, like this one. So this is something which you can consider also. This is also can be considered as a second precaution whenever you are using, as I was explaining, that there are 3 steps which you can use while using any, irrespective of the strategy. Only focusing on one thing, that the strategy should be having a Japanese candle. So 3 things which you can focus on. First one, do not take trade when the market is stuck or very near to the support or resistance level, specifically if the strategy is a trend following strategy. First thing. Second thing, make sure you always trade in a trending market. What exactly I want to say, that market is always moving in the 3 different directions: upward, downward and sideways. This is the one. Sideways means red green, red green, red green, red green, red green. So it's not trying to move in a specific direction. Market is stuck somewhere. This is the second. Third thing, whenever you are going to execute, if we would have taken a trade for 2 candles, the trade was supposed to be positive, but in 3 it's looking a bit dicey, but no worries, we'll wait for the result and we will keep on shuffling another cards also. Yeah, so the third thing, whenever you are going to execute any trade, make sure you focus on the previous generated candle formation. N number of set of rules are going to be there, and number of candle patterns are there, so you have to invest a lot of time while learning about that one, and different like sometimes that would be very hard for you also to memorize everything. So let me give you the easiest way or the simplest one. Bigger the body, smaller the wick can be considered as a nice candle. Let me explain. Like, bigger the body, smaller the wick, as compared to like these candles, that can be considered as a nice candle. Apart from that, shooting star is there, hanging man is there, hammer candle is there, dodgy candle is there, so n number of things are there. Like, that is going to be a different call. You can try to learn about that also, but I'm just trying to keep the thing simple also, so that you will be able to understand everything. Okay, let me take a few more comments. Subhash ji, again requesting you just connect with this support team. Demo payment deposit. Vansh ji, for that in demo you do not need to make any deposits or something like that. If your demo amount is done, like it's finished, so just next to your balance you will find a clock over button. Just click on that one, you will get the funds again in your demo account. Exactly, Hemanji. Like, see, so as per Hemanji comment, something came into my mind, as he is trying to say that hold your capital and then use it wisely. Now, traders understand one more thing, that there is one more thing like which we can consider as the basic rule of trading. So what exactly it says? You can make capital only if you have capital. Okay. And having capital in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that you will keep on making deposits again and again. That always means that whatever the capital you have invested or whatever the amount you have added to your account, use it in such a way that you will be able to use it for a longer. So make sure, like, whenever you are investing something, doesn't matter whether it is $10, $100, $1,000, make sure you use it in that way that you are able to use it for long. Okay, so हमने deposit की, okay, in 5 trade daily. As Sanket ji is saying that he is making $5 every day, that is completely fine. If you are okay with that much profit, that is also fine, because see, for that one all you just need to spend hardly 10-15 minutes, so it's a quite nice amount, so you can bear some side expenses, so that is also fine. All I'm just trying to say to everyone, traders, make sure you have a set of rule in which direction you want to, and then start moving into that. That is the best way. Doesn't matter $10, $100, $500, what amount you are depositing and what amount you are looking forward to make sure that should be a specific set of rule which you are supposed to follow. Every day is not going to be Christmas, every day is not going to be Diwali, every day is not Eid also, so of course every day is not profit. There might be some days when you will be facing some losses. We are also facing some losses, that is completely fine. Accept it and then start moving into that. Okay, so another trade for $15 in gold, positive, very nice. Now things are going in our favor, everything is going streamline. Okay, so traders, again requesting you, in case if you haven't subscribed the channel, make sure you subscribe it, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live again, so you will be able to connect with us and we will be able to guide you with that one. In the meantime, I'll make sure that I will be I'll make sure that this session is available in the playlist part, so you will be able to explore it later on also. I want to take a trade on this opportunity, or this level is already breached, I believe. No worries, let's wait for it, because this level is about to be breached, or let's pick it. Let's try it, because market is trying to breach this level but it's not able to, like, it's getting stuck. No worries. Let's try. Let's keep on shuffling our cards. One more trade is already in the pipeline, and let me take a few more comments. तो मैं कैसे प्रॉफिट में आऊँ, आप बताइए क्या रूल्स फॉलो करो. सी एम एस ट्रेडिंग जी, द बेस्ट अगेन आई एम सजेस्टिंग, एज यू आई थिंक यू मेंशन अबाउट यू हैव अ कैपिटल ऑल्सो. Now again, let me tell you, MS Trading, one more thing I want to ask you before giving you some information about that one. Do you have any of your personal analysts? Like, are you taking sessions with any of your personal analysts? Just share me in the comment section. And at the same time, now see, if you mention that you have a 2000 capital, first understand how much you want to make in how much month. Like we just make a rough calculation that if you will be making $100 every day, then you will be able to cover your losses within 2.5 months or 2 months 20 days, or let's make it 3 months. Okay, now for that one, if $100 is your take profit, you can keep $70, or yeah, $70 is fine. $70 as your stop loss. Your starting trade amount should be $1, and then you can increase it in case if you wish to, but that should also not more than 10% of your stop loss. Stop loss is 70, so that should not be more than $7. And then slowly and gradually you can start moving into that one. In case if you think that Kunal, that sometime in the first half I am able to make profit, sometime in second half, sometime in third half, and in case if I'm making some losses in the first half, so should I continue or should I stop for the day? What set of rule I can follow? Then you can do one thing. If $70 is your stop loss, $30 in first half, $15 in second half, or like you can use like $30 in first half, $20 in second half, and $20 in last. What I am trying to say, you will start somewhere in the morning like 10-11 Indian Standard Time. You will start taking some trades. If trades are going positive, good to go. If trades are going negative, once you will be losing $30, you will take a break. Then you will come back in the afternoon or late afternoon. You will start taking trades with $20 if the market is going in your favor. If you are able to recover something, good to go. If you are able to make some profits, good to go. If again market is not stable, stop for the day. Then use the last $20 in the evening session. So this is how you will be able to use your capital throughout your day, even though if the first half or second half is not in your favor. Second thing, if any one of them will work for you, you will be able to make your profit. So this is how, like sometimes traders are stating that, sir, in the first half I just lost all the capital, but there was a excitement in me that I might be able to book some profits in the second half, but my stop loss is already done, and then sometime I'm doing some over trading also. So this is also approach which you can follow. Okay, so traders, I'm so sorry, I have scrolled a bit and a few comments are missed. Okay, so yeah, so MS Trading Ji, this is a set of rule which you can follow, and as you mentioned that you have $2,000, so if your stop loss is $70, then you can hardly invest for next 3 days capital or 4 days, or max to max 1 week capital is enough. Because if you are not going to use that much capital, then that is completely up to you that how much you want to invest, because I have given you a calculation that what can be the perfect one. I earned commission not received, but only deposit amount received. Aina ji, I'm so sorry, I didn't got your question. Can you please explain that which commission you're talking about? Okay, Saroj, sir, आज हमने 7,000 deposit किया but not. Saroj ji, I request you just connect with the support team. They will be helping you with that one. Okay, Premanand Maharaj ji, official ji is saying क्या Olymptrade fake है? See, sir, first of everything, you have a very nice name of your channel also, like your profile name is very nice. Okay, yeah, so see, let me give you some information about that one. So we are regulated by the government of Vanuatu. We are also part of FinCom, so everything is streamlined. At the same time, if you think that there is something which is not transparent, like you can open any asset, open this side, this part, information zone, view history, view code, you can check all the codes and everything is visible there. Second thing, if anything is like there, that then sir, understand one thing, why we are spending so much efforts, so much resources to guide our traders that how they can improve their trading. Let me explain which services we are providing. So we are conducting YouTube sessions. This is our official channel. We have one more channel also with the name of Olymptrade Global. So every now and then we are conducting sessions on these channels. We are uploading videos just to help our traders in their trading concern. Second thing, specifically to our expert and advanced level holders, we are also conducting a one-to-one session. So we have, like me, we have a team of analysts, and which we call a VIP department. So in that department we have n number of analysts. So they are having experience of 10 plus years or even more than that one. So they are going to conduct one-to-one sessions with you, and each session is going to be for 25 to 30 minutes, where they will be sharing their screen, talking to you, guiding you with your technical concerns, everything they are going to talk about. And the best part, first one, whether it's one you are going to take one session or 1000, all sessions are going to be free. No need to pay any commission, any amount, any subscription, nothing at all. Second thing, they are going to be one-to-one, so you and your analyst will be there. No third persons will be allowed. So in case if you will be having any doubt, question, query, you can ask them then and there. They will be explaining it everything. And this service basically for advanced level, they can have one session in a month. Expert level, for them the number of sessions are going to be more than that one. So my dear traders, those who are on starter level so far, try to increase your or improve your level on the platform, so you will be able to get that opportunity. And now those traders, those who are on expert level, or those who were on expert level but they didn't got this service, they didn't got that opportunity. So traders, understand one thing. For that one, you need to make sure that your contact number should be updated on the platform. At the same time, whenever we will be calling you, so our contact number is starting with +44. So please make sure you attend the call. In case if the call went to the spam, or because of any XYZ reason you disconnected the call, or anything like you are not able to update your contact number, the best which I'll suggest, just get in touch with the support team. Even though you were on expert level but you didn't got that opportunity, no worries, still we will help you with that one. Just connect with the support team, tell them, sir, I need help in trading, please raise a callback request, and share your contact number with the support team. Please avoid sharing details in the comment section. Just share it with them and they will forward that request to my department. Someone from my department will come into the picture and we will line up your session. And again, as I have already mentioned, whether you are going to take one session or 1000, everything is going to be free. Okay. Let me see a few more. MS Trading ji, like bonus we have reintroduced again on the platform. So initially you were not able, you were not able to use it when you were having live capital, you were having the real funds, but now both of them are going to be work simultaneously. I'm so sorry, I am not having that much time to explain it in a bit more brief way, but in case if you have an analyst, just ask him, he or she will be explaining you everything. Okay. Okay. See, Premanandji, so many traders are already there and they are withdrawing their funds from a very long time, so there is nothing like that. So make sure you can do. Okay, so Saroji, hello. Okay, so but I am using Trio. It's very useful. See, unique girls, Asia. So see, Asia, different technicals, different mindsets. So everyone, they can use their own, because see, it's not possible that the medicine which is working for you, that will work for sure for me, or vice versa. So sometimes there is a set of rules which we are able to opt or which we are not able to opt. That is also dependent. And that is the reason that I'm always suggesting, make sure if you learn any strategy, make sure you practice it on your demo account, and then you will be able to use. Shiv Jadhav ji, by ethnicity, I'm an Indian. Okay, so my name is Kunal Kapoor. Okay, hello to everyone. Deepak Manji ji, hello. Shivu Roy, hello. Miragesh Shivaji. So Shivaji asked that what is the minimum amount which they can start with. Sir, you can start with 700 also, 700 rupees, not US dollar. 700 rupees is the minimum deposit amount on the platform. At the same time, if you want to have a what we call calculative or enough or what we call a handsome stop loss, then $100 or somewhere around 8,000 to 9,000 is a fair amount. But it's not like that you have to make that much deposit. You can start with 700 rupees or also, because it's not only about the capital you have, it's also about how you use it. Sunita Yadav ji, I'm sad to know. Just let me know that what's the reason that the losses you are facing, like which strategy you are using, like whether you are using any strategy or not, or so far you are only focused on the candle pattern. Today's strategy, Bhagwan Singh ji, today we are talking about AXEL strategy. It's a very easy strategy, and in this one all you just need to work on one oscillator, which is momentum. What is your favorite strategies? See, Bhagwan ji, there are n number of strategies which you can opt or which I am using. If you talk about that one, but one more thing, like the something which I am going to say that this is my favorite. I don't think like you should also pick on that basis. First thing, and second thing, if you talk about the strategies which are I am very used to. Kind Martin is a strategy which is the first which I have learned when I started my career journey, and after that Jack-Tar is one of them. AXEL is also something I am using. Peacock is very nice. Friday is very easy to use. Triple Rebound is very good for the forex trading. So n number of strategies are available, and there is one strategy which I am using, like it's you can consider it as a customized also. So I am using Jack-Tar along with stochastic. You can check my last session which I have conducted on this Wednesday with Alex, and in that one I was using that strategy. So you can explore that session also. That was also very nice session, I believe, because my colleague, my one of my very close friend Alex was also there. So together we have too much fun, and we had a trading battle. So you can explore that also. Okay, exactly, Sagar Patra ji, you might be observing that there is some difference. The reason behind, as I have already mentioned, that there is a telecast gap which is lying between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So the candle which will be visible on my screen right in front of you on YouTube, and the candle on your chart, you will be finding some difference. You will be a bit more ahead as per the live screen, because there is a telecast gap. The candle which will be right away in front of me, and then I will be telecasting it to you, so there will be some gap. Okay, very nice. So we have some guests, we have some friends from Philippines also. It's a very nice place. I have been to some places, and I have so many Philippines friends also, so I believe that we can have a connection also. Nice. It's very happy to see that I am sitting in one corner of the world, and I am trying to help my friends sitting in the different ones. So very happy to see. Okay, so भैया वैसे लीगल कैसे करें, डायरेक्ट बैंक में विड्रॉल लगा सेफ नहीं है, प्लीज गाइड. सी हरीश जी, देयर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट वन. यू कैन withdraw directly to your bank account also. At the same time, if you think that you want to use some different sources also, so of course there are some n number of e-wallets available. You can also make a withdrawal via crypto wallets also, so that is completely fine. But again, I'm clarifying one thing, that it's completely legal. Because understand one thing, if that was illegal, then how we would have survived for 11 years in Indian market, right? So Kalad Jax, hello. So traders, I believe that you might have observed that how this strategy works, and I believe that I have covered all your doubt, question, queries. In the meantime, still in case if I missed something, I'm so sorry for that. I'll try to make sure that in the next coming session I will be getting your comments, your doubts also. Please make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, connect with us in the next session also. So in case if you will be finding any difficulties with this strategy or in any another strategy, or if you will be having any doubt, question, query, feel free to ask. We would love to help you with that one. And those traders, those friends, those who have reached on the expert level, or those who were on expert level but they were not able to take the opportunity, they were not able to take benefit of that service which I have talked about, make sure you take full out of it, because that is going to be free of cost. You do not need to pay anything ever to anyone. So before winding up to today's conversation, I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Please make sure, stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, keep earning, and whatever you have learned, make sure you practice it on your demo account. And 10-20 trades are not going to be enough to practice it. Make sure you open at least 70 to 100 trades. It's going to take some time to understand it, but that is going to save some extra bucks when you will start using it on your live account, because there is a possibility that you might come up with a new set of rule, and that will help you to make some profits. And this is the only motive I believe all traders have, make max to max profit. So again, stay healthy, stay safe. This is your host, your buddy Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much again. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.